Our next problem is integral a to b log x by x. This is here let us take t is equal to log x, dt is equal to 1 by x dx, and the limits are if x is equal to a, t is equal to log a, and if x is equal to b, t is equal to log b. This is now convert. This is log a, integral log a to log b, log x is equal to t, and dx by x is equal to dt. Now this is equal to integral t dt is equal to t square by 2. Limits are log b, log a. Now substitute the limits. This is log b whole square by 2 minus log a whole square by 2. This is 1 by 2 into here a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. This is 1 by 2 into log ab into log b by a. Our next problem is integral 1 to 2 e power minus 1 by x square dx. Here let us take t is equal to 1 by x minus 1 by x implies dt is equal to minus 1 by x differentiation is 1 by x square dx. Now for t is equal to 1, for x is equal to 1, here limits are for x is equal to 1, t is equal to minus 1 by 1, that is minus 1, and for x is equal to 2, t is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now convert the integral. This is minus 1 to minus 1 by 2. This is e power t dt. E power t dt, that is equal to integral e power t is e power t. Limits are minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Now substitute the limits. This is e power minus 1 by 2 minus e power minus 1, that is root e minus 1 by e. Our next problem is integral 0 to 1 tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Here let t is equal to tan inverse x implies here differentiate on both sides. Dt is equal to derivative of tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. Now for x is equal to 0, t is equal to, that is equal to 0, and for x is equal to 1, t is equal to, this is equal to pi by 4. Now convert the integral, that is 0 to pi by 4. This is equal to t dt, that is t square by 2. Limits are pi by 4 to 0, 0 to pi by 4. Substitute the limits. This is pi by 4 whole square minus 0, that is pi by 32, pi square by 32. Our next problem is integral 0 to 1 dx by ax plus b into 1 minus x whole square. This is 0 to 1 dx by ax plus b minus bx whole square. This is 0 to 1 dx by, here take x common, this is a minus b into x plus b whole square. Here let us take t is equal to a minus b into x plus b. Dt is equal to a minus b into dx. Derivative of b is 0. Dt by a minus b is equal to dx. Now for x is equal to 0, t is equal to b. For x is equal to 1, t is equal to a minus b plus b, that is equal to a. Now convert the integral, that is integral b to a dt. Dx is equal to dt by a minus b. This whole term is t square, that is 1 by a minus b. Integral 1 by t square is minus 1 by t. Limits are a to b, that is 1 by a minus b minus 1 by a plus 1 by b. Substitute the limits. This is b minus a by a minus b into minus b. Sorry, this is a minus b. A minus b by a minus b into ab. A minus b gets cancelled, that is 1 by ab is the final answer. Our next problem is integral 0 to pi by 4 tan square x dx. So this is integral 0 to pi by 4 tan square x is secant square x minus 1 dx. That is integral secant square x is tan x, integral 1 is x. Limits are pi by 4 to 0. This is tan pi by 4 minus tan 0 minus this is pi by 4 minus 0. This is 1 minus pi by 4. This is the final answer. Our next problem is integral 0 to pi by 2 e power x sin x dx. So first let us find the integration here. Integral e power x sin x dx. So this is product of two functions. So here what we do is e power x into integral sin x dx minus derivative of e power x is e power x into sin x dx. This is e power x into integral sin x is minus cos x. This is minus e power x into minus cos x, that is minus into minus plus dx. This is minus e power x cos x. Again apply UV rule. E power x into integral cos x dx minus e power x into integral cos x dx. This is minus e power x cos x. This is e power x sin x. This is minus integral e power x integral cos x is sin x dx. Here already we have integral e power x sin x dx. Bring this term to the left side. This is 2 into integral e power x sin x dx. That is equal to e power x into sin x minus cos x. Therefore integral e power x sin x dx is equal to e power x by 2 into sin x minus cos x. Now apply the limits, that is 0 to pi by 2 integral e power x sin x dx is equal to this is e power x by 2 sin x minus cos x. Limits are pi by 2 0. This is e power pi by 2 sin pi by 2 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0 minus e power 0 by 2 sin 0 0 cos 0 1. This is e power pi by 2 minus power 0 is 1 minus into minus plus 1 by 2 is the final answer. Our next problem is integral 1 by pi to 2 by pi sin 1 by x by 1 by x sin 1 by x by x square dx. Here let us take t is equal to 1 by x, dt is equal to minus 1 by x square dx. For x is equal to 1 by pi, t is equal to 1 by pi, that is equal to pi. For x is equal to 2 by pi, t is equal to 1 by 2 by pi, that is pi by 2. Now convert, it is pi to pi by 2 sin t minus dt, that is minus dt. Integral sin t is minus cos t minus of minus cos t, it is pi by 2 to pi. Minus into minus plus, cos 90 0, cos pi is minus 1, so that is equal to plus 1 is the final answer. Our next problem is integral 0 to 1 minus x power 9 dx. So we have a formula, integral 0 to a f of x dx is same as integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So this is integral 0 to 1 minus, in place of x we write 1 minus x power 9 dx. It is 0 to 1 minus 1 plus x power 9 dx. Here 1 gets cancelled, that is 0 to 1 x power 9 dx. Integral x power 9 is x power 10 by 10 from 0 to 1. Substitute the limits, this is 1 by 10 minus 0, that is equal to 1 by 10. Our next problem is integral 1 to 2 log x dx. First let us find the integral of log x. Integral log x dx is equal to, this is log x into integral 1 dx minus derivative of log x is 1 by x integral 1 dx dx. This is log x into integral 1 dx is x minus 1 by x into integral 1 dx is x dx. Here x gets cancelled, this is x log x minus integral 1 dx is x. So now this value is x log x minus x. Now apply the limits. Integral 1 to 2 log x dx is equal to x log x minus x from 1 to 2. Substitute the limits. This is 2 log 2 minus 2 minus 1 log 1 minus 1. This is log 4 2 square minus 2 minus into minus plus 1. Log 1 is 0. This is log 4 minus 1. So 1 can be written as log e. Log 4 minus log e, that is equal to log 4 by e is the final answer. Our next problem is integral 0 to pi by 4 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. This is 0 to pi by 4. This value is tan of pi by 4 plus x dx. This is 0 to pi by 4. So this is also is equal to tan pi by 4 plus in place of x we write pi by 4 minus x. That is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4 tan 90 minus x. 0 to pi by 4 tan 90 minus x is cot x, cot pi by 4 log mod sin x. Log sin 0 is not defined, so you should not do in this way. So integral tan x, integral tan theta d theta is equal to log mod sec theta plus c. So we apply that formula, integral tan theta is equal to log mod sec theta. So here integral tan pi by 4 plus x is equal to log mod sec pi by 4 plus x. Limits are 0 to pi by 4. Log mod sec pi by 2 log mod sec pi by 4. Sec 90 is not defined, so this value is actually, it should not be here, minus log sec pi by 4 is, maybe it is pi by 2, I think, pi by 4 to pi by 2, then it will be right, because this value is not defined. It will be pi by 4 0 to pi by 2 0 to pi by 2. Okay, then it will be right. 0 to pi by 2, this will be 3 pi by 4. If you put 0, that is pi by 4. This is log mod sec 3 by 4 sec pi by 4, both are same only, log mod minus 1, that is equal to 0 actually. Our next problem is integral 0 to 1 e power x x minus 1 by x plus 1 whole cube dx. 0 to 1 e power x, so you can write this as x plus 1 minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube by x plus 1 whole cube, adding and subtracting 1 here. This is integral 0 to 1 e power x. This is 1 by x plus 1 whole square minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube dx. So we have a formula here, integral e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. So this is in the same formula, 1 by x plus 1 whole square derivative is minus 2 by x plus 1 whole cube. So the final answer is e power x into 1 by x plus 1 whole square from 0 to 1. Now substitute the limits, e power 1 by 2 square minus e power 0 by 1 square. This is e power 1 by 4 minus 1. This is the final answer. Our next problem is integral 0 to k dx by 2 plus 8x square is equal to pi by 16. Then find k. So that is integral 0 to k, this is dx by 2 plus 8x square is equal to pi by 16. Here take 2 common, 0 to k, it is 1 by 2 into 1 plus 4x square, that is equal to pi by 16. Integral 0 to k dx by 1 plus 4x square is equal to pi by 8. Integral 0 to k dx by, this is 1 plus 2x whole square is equal to pi by 8. This is equal to, this in the form of dx by 1 plus x square, that is tan inverse 2x by 2. Limits are k to 0, 0 to k, pi by 8. That is, apply the limits, tan inverse pi by 4, this is 1 by 2 is there, minus tan inverse 0, no, not sorry, not pi by 4, this is tan inverse 2k, tan inverse 2k by 2 minus tan inverse 0 by 2 is equal to pi by 8. This is 0, this is pi by 4. Tan inverse 2k is equal to pi by 4. 2k is equal to tan pi by 4. That is 1. 2k is equal to 1 implies k is equal to 1 by 2 is the final answer.